Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the HD Swiss Lace 13x6 Lace Front Wig in Burmese Curly, a human hair wig designed specifically for Black women, featuring a pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs for a natural look. With 180% density and 32 inches of curly hair, this wig promises a full, voluminous style. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The HD Swiss Lace 13x6 Lace Front Wig is crafted from high-quality human hair, ensuring a soft, natural feel that mimics real curls. This wig comes with an HD lace frontal that gives a seamless look when applied, blending effortlessly with your skin. The 180% density adds thickness and volume, making it look fuller without feeling too heavy. The 13x6 lace design offers a larger area for styling versatility, especially if you're into parting your hair in different ways. It also boasts a pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs, making it ideal for achieving that flawless, just got my hair done look. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience with the HD Swiss Lace Wig. When I first got my hands on it, I was impressed by how soft and manageable the hair felt right out of the box. The texture was smooth and bouncy, and the curls had a beautiful natural definition without looking too stiff or overly processed. The lace was easy to work with, and the pre-plucked hairline meant I didn't have to spend hours tweaking it. The baby hairs were delicate and gave a realistic touch to the overall look. Putting it on was straightforward, and the 13x6 lace gave me plenty of room to experiment with different styles. I wore it for a few days straight, testing its comfort level. It stayed secure without feeling too tight thanks to the adjustable straps and combs. It didn't itch or feel heavy, which is a huge plus when it comes to wigs. The curls remained defined even after a long day, and the wig didn't frizz up, which can sometimes happen with curly hair. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig has some standout features. The density is perfect, full but not overwhelming, giving it a natural appearance. The HD lace is a game changer for making the wig blend seamlessly with your scalp. The baby hairs add a final touch of authenticity, and the overall softness of the hair is a major plus. On the downside, the wig is quite long, 32 inches, which may require extra maintenance in terms of detangling and care to prevent tangling. Also, the price might be a bit steep for some, though the quality justifies the cost for those looking for a premium product. When it comes to value for money, this wig certainly holds its own. While it might come at a higher price point than synthetic wigs, the fact that it's made from human hair and offers such a natural look with versatile styling options makes it a solid investment. It's durable and with proper care can last for months, if not longer. You're paying for a high-quality product, and it delivers in spades. If you're considering alternatives, you might look into other premium human hair wigs from brands like Unice or Nadula, which offer similar features, like HD lace and pre-plucked hairlines, but may vary in density, curl pattern, or price. While they are similar, each brand has its unique strengths, so it's worth comparing before making a decision. In terms of build quality, this wig is top-notch. The lace is delicate but strong, and the hair itself feels like it could withstand multiple styles. Just remember, with longer wigs, you'll need to give it some attention, detangling and moisturizing to keep the curls intact. As for longevity, this wig is built to last with proper maintenance, and it won't lose its integrity after just a few uses. Let's talk customer support. I didn't need to reach out for assistance with this product, but the brand is known for its good reputation in terms of customer service. Many customers have mentioned responsive and helpful interactions when they've had questions or issues. That's always a plus when buying a higher-end product like this. If you're on a budget, there are a few alternatives that may give you similar curls and volume, but at a lower cost. Brands like Outry and Free Tress offer synthetic wigs with similar curl patterns that can give you a comparable look without the hefty price tag. To sum it up, the HD Swiss Lace 13x6 Lace Front Wig is a high-quality, stylish option for those who want a natural-looking, voluminous curly wig. Its soft texture, realistic pre-plucked hairline, and HD lace make it stand out in a crowded market. If you're looking for a wig that can handle styling versatility and you don't mind the price, this one is a solid choice. However, if you're just getting into wigs or need something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.